Hey, what is up, guys? It's me, Shan here, and you're watching Tech by Shan. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your domain from Namecheap to the Cloudflare. It's a very simple method. I will show you live demo how you're gonna move your DNS, how you can change your DNS address, and how you're going to change all the settings on the Cloudflare. So it's really simple. So we will do that in a second. Right now, you are on my dashboard in Namecheap. We are going to click on manage, and then we are going to click on the domain URL. So here is the dashboard which I'm managing right now. So if you click on the add domain, remove this one and click in the box and paste your domain. You need to choose the quick option, which is the recommended, and then you need to click on the continue, which is the best option. And don't select manually or upload DNS save file unless you know what you're doing. All right. So click continue. Now, no need to select any package, just click on free and click continue. Then it will fetch all the details from the domain details, which is on the Namecheap. Right now, it's being scanned and scanning for existing DNS records. So this is the DNS records. All you have to do is to just remove the first two, A record and C name record, right now. So I'm going to delete in the bulk way. So I'm going to check on both options. Okay, this is the Namecheap domain IP address, which I don't need it because I have my own VPS. Just confirm this by in capital. You need to type delete, click confirm. By the way, they have updated the Cloudflare, so click on the add record and let it be a record and press 8 and add, and you need to add your IP address of your server, which is the VPS or whatever you have it, shared hosting or whatever you have it. Now click again and sorry, www in this small letter. Okay, and now the again IP address. Click save. Now it's good to go. We need to click on the continue, and we are here in the final stage. All you have to do is just assign it cloud name server. This is the first address. Click copy. So just click on the, no need to go to advanced, sorry. All you have to do is just click on the domain section. In the down section where you will see name server, click custom DNS. In the first option, you need to click on the first address will be on the first name server 1, and the second one will be on the name server 2. This is the only fastest way to move your domain to the Cloudflare. It's very simple. Click continue. All you have to do is just don't forget to save this one. So once you see this message, it will take 24 hours to 48 hours, but usually it takes only 5 minutes to 10 minutes, most of the case, unless you don't have any problem. So as you can see, I'm going to show you right now. Check name server, click on it, and wait for your domain to be updated with the new VPS IP address. So here is the a dashboard. Okay, just let it be on this one. 1 second, let me show you. So here is the dashboard. It's pending name server update. So if you go again and click refresh, and you will see domain has been added already. Okay, this is the first one, this one. All right, don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. See you in the next video.